Hi guys, I'm Meena. Today's topic is about review of probability theorem. I'm currently studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, pursuing my bachelor's in computer science with the specialization of cybersecurity. So now let's get into the topic. Here are some basic concepts of probability. The first one is the probability of an event. The value must always lie between 0 and 1. And second is for calculating the probability, it is number of desired outcomes and dividing it by the total number of potential outcomes. And third is the probability distributions, which describes the chance of future events. And then fourth is real world application. Here, the probabilities can be used to predict outcomes in finance, economics, physics, and many other fields. Now, let's learn about basics principle of probabilities. First is independence. When two events are independent, one event has no effect on the other event occurring. And second is additivity. The probability of an event created by the combination of two or more events is the sum of those events' probabilities. Third is complementation. The probability of an event occurring is equal to 1 minus probability of that event not occurring. Multiplication is the probability of events A and B is the probability of event A times the probability of event B. Now let's learn more concepts related to probability axioms. First is non-negativity. These are the probabilities which are greater than or equal to 0. And second is unit measure. If the probability of an entire sample space is equal to 1. And third is the normalization. The probability of entire sample space is 1. And fourth is conditional probability. These are the probability of an event occurring that another event has already occurred. It is denoted by the probability event A given event B. Now let's learn about laws of total probability. The law of total probability is a fundamental concept in probability that helps to calculate the likelihood of an event by considering all possible ways in which it can occur. The first one is to describe all possible outcomes, and second is to assign probabilities to each outcome, and third is calculate the total probabilities. Now, we'll be having a doubt how to calculate the total probability. It is by multiplying the probability of each outcome by the probability of the event given that outcome, and the sum of all these values. This will give you the overall likelihood of an event. Now let's gain more knowledge about conditional probability. As we know the definition of conditional probability, it is said that the probability of an event given that another event has already occurred, and the formula for this is P of A given B is equal to P of B and A by P of B. Now let's learn the sub-concept of conditional probability, that is Bayes' theorem. The probability of an event occurring based on a prior knowledge of the conditions that might be related to the event. The Bayes theorem is a mathematical formula that allows us to update the probability of an event occurring based on new information or prior knowledge. And it is especially useful in the situation where the occurrence of one event might be dependent on the occurrence of another event. Here are some applications of probability theorem. The first one is weather forecasting. By using the sophisticated statistical models and historical data, we can predict atmospheric conditions with high accuracy. And second is predicting lottery outcomes. Probability theory offers a way to understand odds of winning and losing in lotteries, casinos, and other games of chance. And third is medical research. Probability theory plays a crucial role in design of clinical studies and analyzing the results of research embarrassing hypothesis testing. And fourth is risk assessment and insurance. Bayes' theorem is also commonly used in risk assessment and insurance by considering the prior knowledge, such as historical data, with the expertise opinions. Now, coming to the conclusion, today we learned the concepts of probability theory, which are used in our day to day life, ranging from weather forecast to the medical diagnosis. Understanding probability and its applications is necessary for sound decision making and informed judgment. Probability theory is also used in finance and investments, where it helps investors and manage risk. Additionally, in computer science and artificial intelligence, probability is used in various algorithms and models to make predictions and improve decision making process. Therefore, a solid understanding of probability theory can have wide ranging application in both practical and theoretical fields. Thank you.